Hello and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Polygon Matic chart and also give you my breakdown targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Polygon Matic is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also lost this ascending trend line that I have here on the chart, highlighted using these red markings over here, where you can see that we have now seen the breakdown to the lower side, and the next thing that we should keep our eyes on is a successful retest of that ascending trend line. And in case the retest is in and a success, then we can continue anticipating for lower prices. But in case we are able to get above it, then there are high chances that we could continue seeing higher prices to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.9755 mark. Polygon Matic has also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And if I zoom out on the charts so that I can give you my analysis basing it on the Elliot structures, you can see that after seeing our low at around the $0.3257 mark, that was last year June, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $1.3 mark in the formation of that wave 5, and also completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side, obeying this ABC corrective structure, where I'm terming this as the wave A. Then we saw that overshooting wave B, and I'm expecting one more leg down in the formation of this wave C to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 2. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high at around the $1.3 mark, which is the high for that first wave, that now gives me a minimum retracement area for that second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, which is an area that lies between the $0.8082 mark and the $0.6929 mark. And if by any chance we see a successful retest of the ascending trend line that I have shown you, then we continue seeing further breakdown to our next key area of support at around the $0.784 mark. Then there are high chances that Polygon Matic is going to fully maximize my yellow target area in the formation of that wave 2 and also complete that ABC corrective structure in that wave 2. And then from that point, we can wait for confirmation that the low for that second wave is in, and then start tracking a 5-wave structure to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. And in the formation of this wave C, which I believe we are in at the moment, which is impulsive, I have also been tracking a 5-wave structure within the formation of that wave C, where I have been terming these as the wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and there are chances that we could see one more leg down in the formation of this wave 5, fully maximizing this yellow target area, and also give us the low for that wave C and the wave 2, and then start our 5-wave structure to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. So those are the moves that I'm tracking here on the Polygon Matic chart in case we get a successful retest of that ascending trend line. But in case we get above it, then we can watch out for higher prices in a move that could take us to the area at around the $0.9755 mark, and a break above that could send us above the $1 mark. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 48 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices, but in case further breakdown continues, that will still be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.